Where's Grandpa?
Come on, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa. There he is.
That's Grandpa? It says he's offline. Who's on Grandpa's lap?
Daisy.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Is it baby Katie? Where's Grandpa?
Look close.
Why are you back in the computer? Katie, where's Grandpa? Should we try to call him?
The TV.
He's on the TV? Do you see Katie? Who's that?
Big Grandma go. Big Grandma go.
Where's Grandma go? I don't know, but who's that?
Where'd Grandma go? Where's Grandma?
Where's Katie?
Where's Dad, Grandma?
What a pretty girl.
Katie, will you be my Valentine?
I see Katie's butt. There's Katie's butt.
Katie, why are you showing them their butt? Why don't you come say hi?
I see Katie's butt. Hi, Princess.
What were you just saying? You kept looking at the computer saying, where's Grandpa? We get Grandpa, and now you don't say hi.
Katie, did you make people smile today? Are you nice?
Katie's nice.
Katie got a very nice report card today.
Did it say she's nice, Mom?
It did.
Did it say she's smart?
It certainly did. Katie's very good at pretend play.
Motor skills?
Good fine motor skills, and she's very good at pretend play, and she loves to dance and sing.